Hi, good morning! So this is Marge Izon and I will show you how to put my everyday makeup tutorial. Mag-start na tayo. Usually, kapag everyday makeup, ang ginagamit ko lang is may BB cream, Shawill BB cream, my Shawill liptint, and this brow brush from bilena. It's clear. And then this Peripera ink. Actually, lip tint siya, pero ginagamit ko siya sa cheeks ko. And it's really good. So now we're going to use the BB cream. Ayan, meron na siya. So, lagay natin sa dark circles ko. Usually, hindi ko naman ginagamit sa buong mukha ko yung BB cream kapag naglalagay ako. Kasi gusto ko maging natural look pa rin. So, nakita niyo yung difference, diba? Mas na-cover niya yung dark circles. Pag BB cream kasi, meron siyang SPF 25 na maganda siya kahit sa araw. Nilalagyan ko din yung ilong ko, guys. Ganyan. Yan yung mga dark spot natin. Okay lang yung konti-konti kaysa naman sa mas madaling magdagdag kaysa magbawas. And then, so ang gawin naman natin is liptint. Just do it like this. Yung lipstick na liptint na shade 3 sa Shawill. So yan, guys. And then, we're going to use this Peripera shade number 5. So, usually nilalagay ko na siya dito ko. And then, I just put this and put it something here and here. And sa nose. Nice. So yan. And then, I use this clear eyebrow mascara from bilena. So, that is, I think, I'm done for my everyday makeup tutorial. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.